Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Maya. She had big dreams of becoming an artist and using her talent to bring joy to people's lives. Maya would spend countless hours sketching, painting, and pouring her heart into every piece she created. One day, a renowned artist visited the village to conduct a painting workshop. Maya's excitement soared as she eagerly signed up for the workshop, hoping to learn from the best. The day arrived, and the workshop began with the artist sharing his experiences and techniques. Maya listened intently and soaked up every word, eager to apply the newfound knowledge to her own artwork. However, as the workshop progressed, Maya's confidence began to wane. She compared her own paintings to those of the other participants and felt disheartened. Doubt clouded her mind, and she wondered if her dream was merely a delusion. In a moment of vulnerability, Maya approached the artist and expressed her feelings of self-doubt. The artist smiled kindly and said, "My dear, don't let comparison steal your joy. Remember that each stroke of the brush tells your unique story. Embrace your individuality, for it is the source of your greatness." Those words struck a chord within Maya. She realized that her journey as an artist was not about being better than others, but about expressing her own voice and touching hearts with her creations. Maya embraced the artist's advice and returned to her art with renewed determination. From that day forward, Maya poured her heart into every stroke, infusing her artwork with her passion and authenticity. She shared her paintings with the village, and people were moved by the emotion and beauty that radiated from her work. Maya's art touched the hearts of many, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams. Maya's story serves as a reminder that we should never compare our journey to others. Each of us has unique talents, experiences, and stories to share with the world. Embracing our individuality and staying true to ourselves allows us to create something truly remarkable. So, let Maya's tale be an inspiration to you. Embrace your uniqueness, believe in your dreams, and let your passion guide you. Remember, success is not measured by comparison, but by the authenticity and joy you bring to your craft.